from such an embarrassingly low level of knowledge that I needed to like find a course, and I did. I found a community college course. It was actually a community college that I had attended 6 years prior, and they were offering a marine program for people that wanted to work on yachts and in the marine industry. I initially took the course just to get my feet wet. I wanted to do the first 2 modules, and I ended up staying the whole year and a half.
And the instructor, what an epic human being.
Picture a Colombian master engineer with a thick accent.
Hey, papi, pay attention.
Whose mission is to teach a class of skeptical, full-blooded American fishermen and mechanic apprentices.
Completely dedicated to making his students learn, did not give a crap about grades, not afraid to get his hands dirty, knew what he was talking about. Maybe not the best English speaker out there, but he sure made himself understood.
Only for items. The concept of scavenging. Of the exhaust over the water line. Okay.
The first days of class were kind of an adaptation period for the students, but in no time everyone was sitting in the first row, listening attentively to everything Mr. Lopez said, asking all kinds of questions, and he had the answers to most of them.
Up to a point that he became a mentor for basically everyone in class.
And just funny, man, like everyone is kind of talking like him now. I feel like I'm gonna be hearing his voice in my head going, "Papi, pay attention, papi, you're not doing this right," whenever I'm fixing something. And I'm also really happy that I learned skills that I always wanted to learn,
including the mathematical formulas behind things, and we had us revisit the periodic table. It was intense.
We live in a society today where we drive chip-controlled cars. We don't ever need to even change tires anymore. Cars don't even come with a spare. If a car has a problem, the little light shows up and you take it to the mechanic and he puts a computer in there to read the code. So if I wanted to, I would go through this entire life without knowing anything about mechanics, which is kind of sad. But at the same time, it's good that I made the decision to actually learn.
In the diesel class, we got to disassemble a diesel engine and put it back together, which was pretty cool. We also had some random projects like building a boat out of newspaper and making it spin on its own. We also tried to build a little solar powered boat that would self-propel using a solenoid. I failed at that project, but I tried and I learned in the process. So thank you, Mr. Lopez. In the name of everyone in class, thank you.